That was a bust. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to be opening up 2 mystery boxes today because it's Friday. And along with opening up 2 mystery boxes, I also have a mystery box dropping later tonight. It's Friday. I said I was going to try to, and it's working out so far. So I will have all the information linked down below. But we're going to be getting into 2 new and old Funko Pop unboxing mystery boxes. I'm excited. Figured we'd try to switch it up. I've been buying a lot of the same mystery boxes, hence me doing them so that other people that open them will have a wider variety, you know? Anyways, okay, so we are opening up 2 of these bad boys. Let me read you the details. I will have the picture of the top hits somewhere. This was only 25 boxes, 35 each, plus $11 shipping. Guaranteed value is $51. So, 46 with shipping, and we're already guaranteed over shipping. So 51, that's exciting. Do not miss out on these. I didn't. Perfect for battling with your fellow YouTubers or collector friends, or both. Or battles with yourself, like I do. So exciting stuff. We are going to get into it. So we are hoping at least $51 in value in both of these at minimum, or, you know, max the top hit. All right, I see 3 pops and 1 soda. We're gonna open the soda first. There might have been other details in this post. I took a screenshot, so we're just gonna go with it. We got a Russell 1200 or 12,500 piece opened. Common. All right, add to my common collection to resell. Now to the pops. We have 3 pops here. So I don't know if every box contains a soda, maybe. That might have been written somewhere. Especially with details to mystery boxes. I know some companies just fail to put certain details, but for the most part, I just fail to remember or read them. So, all right, first pop out, we got the Jetsons. This says 12, which I'm guessing is the price amount. Jane Jetson, 2018. Ooh, she does have a little nick down there. Honestly, with the collection I just went through, it's not even that bad. All right, second pop out, well, PPG at the end. Ooh, Fireman McNugget, $10. So we are at 22 so far. I know they're on like the cheaper side, but they're so cute. These little McNuggets, so cute. I can't get over them. 2020, all right. Final pop out. This one has a soft protector. Look at me opening up and showing the pops the correct way every time. Crazy. We got Perfect Cell, Glow in the Dark 2020 Spring Convention, 40. All right. Focus. There you go. Nice, nice. All right. 2019. The box says 2019, and then this is 2020. All right. All right. So 40, 22, 62, which is $11 over guaranteed value. And just for ha-has, I'm gonna take a look at this Russell soda and see if there's any value in him. Probably not. 12. So technically We had, well, I can't, oh, $74 in value in the first box. All right, not bad. Nothing super, super new, which is nice. I'll take it. Let's open the second one. All right, 3 more pops and a soda. Let's open the soda first. This definitely had to be in the description. Ooh, it's a sealed soda. Willy Wonka, 10,000 piece. Oh, I'm gonna scan and see if there's like a price for a sealed soda because it's not a horror soda, which I might be tempted to open because I would probably keep. Let's see. Doesn't really give me a price for sealed, but let's see the value that we have in the pops first and we'll debate. First pop out. Star Wars, we got Bo-Katan Kreese 19. Nice, nice. All right. I don't think this soda was in the picture. I don't know. I'm stuck on the soda. Next, pop out another Star Wars. We got Wrecker. Looks like Star Wars meets The Purge. 18. So we have $37 in value so far. 2020, 2020. Last pop out, which is, you know, I've just been ripping open this plastic and I actually kept the soft protector last all times. All right, let's hope I can do this. Nope, of course not. All right, well, not any of the top hits, but we got 23 King George Walmart exclusive. This is 2021 Hamilton, okay, 23. And $60 in value. All right, I think we're gonna open it. We're opening it. It's opened. Oh, we don't even have to open the bag. Let's see. Oh, crud. I don't. Is it a... Nope. Common. Well, that was a bust. Should have just left it sealed. Well, 60 plus, if we want to say, I think it was 13, the common, so 73 and 74, 73 and 74, not bad. Definitely not bad. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, I will have new and old unboxings information down below if you want to check out some of the mystery box runs for yourself, and I will have my mystery box information linked down below for you to check out as well. But that's it. Drop a comment, let me know if you enjoyed or dug any of these pops. Definitely, I don't tend to keep them, but these definitely bring a smile to my face every single time I see them. That's pretty much it though. I love you guys and I will see you next week.